What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing ribs today. And guess what? We doing them in the sous vide machine. We gonna sous vide them for 24 hours. Then we gonna get them in that smoker for about 30 minutes. They're gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So first thing we gonna do, we gonna go ahead and rain on. Then with a little salt. And that's it for that. No pepper this time, y'all. And then we just hitting them with our rub. Now our rub don't have any salt in it. That's why we hitting it with salt. Because our rub don't have honey. Now after you get that rub on, you wanna go ahead and pat that in, y'all. Pat it in. That's why they call it rub. Cause they rub it into the meat, y'all. And oh yeah, I almost forgot. Gotta get rid of that membrane. Gotta get rid of it. And of course we gonna season the other side the same way. Now, in order for this to work in my smoker and go in my sous vide machine, I gotta go ahead and cut it in half. And check it out, y'all. This what we got. This what we got. Don't it look tasty? We know it's gonna be good already. So now, let's go ahead and get into that bag. So we got 2 pieces. That'll be 1, and that'll be 2. Just a little tip, fold your bag down. That way you don't get the ends of your bag dirty before you get them into your vacuum seal. Then we simply gonna press that down and go ahead and seal that bag up, y'all. Once we got that bag sealed, let's get into our sous vide machine. Now we sous vide these at 150 degrees for 24 hours. That's right, 24 hours, y'all. And after 24 hours, guess what? Our ribs are done. Now we can actually eat these ribs just as they are, y'all. They will be very tasty. Very tasty. But me, instead of putting the torch on, you know what I want to do? Gotta smoke them for a minute. So I don't get that smoke flavor in them for about 30 minutes. You know, add me a little barbecue sauce. And hey, ribs are done, y'all. Ribs are done. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Can't complain about that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And hey, what was funny, wifey ate the most ribs this time. I usually be the one to eat all of them, but she ate all of them this time. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.